Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm in download travel Lexmark this here for Australia. You type here for the drive for the lot and this why I'm search the physical website for you. I'm like no lot for the physical website. The physical website not a virus and easy to download for the physical website. This here for physical website, you click here and this why this here for the printer. You scroll down looking for the title and spot click here for the title and click here for the title, driver and download. This why is here for search device model print. You scroll down. This here for the tag here operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. And this here for a driver recommended for me. And you scroll down. This here for if you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Linux and this here for Linux version you click here. This here for the new version for Linux and this here for Linux 2024 and this here for Fedora 24 and Fedora 13 to 13.3, 13.6 and 13.7 and this here for a Fedora version, new version for Fedora. This here for OpenSUSE, Red Hat, and SUSE Linux, and this here for Ubuntu. I am sure for you for Fedora 27, Fedora 13.7, and this here for the 13.7 Fedora. Looking at release, and this here for the new release support English, and this here for Fedora version. And if you need to load driver printer, you click here and you click here for button start load and this here for your driver to load for the Fedora version. I'm sure for the Mac and this here for Mac version you click here and this here for the new version for Mac, make sure left Mac 11, Mac 13 and this here for Mac 10. I'm sure for Mac 13 and this here for Mac 13 the release looking here and this here for the version and this here for language English mode. This here for the printer driver. If you need to download, you click here. You click here for start download button and this here for your driver download for the Mac 13. And this video I need download driver for Windows and I install driver for Windows. You click here for the Windows and you click here for the version. This here for the Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server support. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows 11 specification. Click here for the Windows 11 and looking at release and this here for the new that release support for Windows 11 and this here for the language English mode. And if you need to download driver print and scan only and this here for driver print and scan only software. If you need to download you click here and I have a recommendation for you to download for the package and maybe this here for package support your universal driver and this here for universal print driver installation package maybe this here for support your software support your support your freeware and this here for support your driver or the tool scanner and if you need to load you click here for button start download this here for your driver download. Okay, if you need install driver for the your printer you turn on the board printer input cable USB printer to laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and this one finish there for the load. If you finish there for the load you double click here or you click here you click open you double click file you click next and you click finish. This here for the type automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye, stay stand.